tulina Biniganta emabega kawo twalabako nti yali akyoseza management afunye obaoli awo waka wapya owa ekiri kitya tukusanze na mu studio nozogenda kola nnyimba
Chili Steady man. Blessings and love. This is Biniganta representing Straight Out Agontak Zafa management. Yeah man, Zafa management.
Fenga badde bakumanyidde wali nti Biniganta Ganto ku biti byonna lwaki wasalawo ku rebrandinga nalabeko ne ku nnyimba zowatadde obaoli awo empya nga ndaba ttaaki ekyusemu kuwadde mukyali mu kaleere kagundi n'ettaaki eringa ekyukamuko.
That is growth in business. And also growth as an artist for an artist side. Yeah, and Biniganta is Guntak, that is for life. Guntak. And Guntak is a movement of the Biniganta fans, and Guntak is a clothing line. This is a code label. Guntak is a clothing line. Yeah man.
Eno chapter y'obulamu bwo oba ya career y'empya representing achinga gwe omuyimbi Biniganta.
Representing elevation. Representing being on the other side of the journey, because it's a new chapter. A whole lot of things have changed. So it's more of like a new experience that I have been working for. So it represents success for me. It's more like of a sign of success, and in between there a lot of things happen for you to know what to set yourself in that position. Yeah man.
Eriba fani obuli ebiseera bisinga omuyimbi bw'akyuka n'abaako ekifo kyakyagenda buli kimu kikyukira ddala basubire ki okuva gy'oli ekintu ekyenjawulo Biniganta oli omukadde gubadde bamanyi oba completely different things?
Biniganta akula muntu, so with growth there comes changing. Changes with growth. So at the end of the day, people should expect music from me. Yeah, good music and a lot of all new music, new sounds, new school dancer. We never pay you by design like musically. Yeah man.
Qualities is what nonya mu new management. Financially nti Biniganta ngayo omuntu ali side eri badde biganye endonge badde tekyatambulanga obadde ogisuubira we yatandikira oba
collaborations everywhere. For anyone who is doing something great, you always have to collaborate with people. So Biniganta and okay. Now with something to do with chasing dreams, you cannot achieve it alone. Always worry about seeing gusobola okugamba concept y'ekirooto then nakola nabeera nga yasobola okigoba nawe nga buli omu aplaying part ye, so that like the specialization in the business is really intact. Buli omu akola kyalina okukola. So me as an artist nali but there has been in name managing for some time, but now this time around, because of the music that I've been working on, the sounds, I decided to join with Zafa, and then Zafa is like now family to me, you know what I mean? It's like family, and we are friends. We talk about these things like the industry is missing A, B, C, D, F, G. So we used to talk with a Zafa CEO like before this whole setup happened. And with that, we had dreams of achieving bigger goals than what was around. So yeah, it's a good look. It's a good look. I think the energy is really that.
So Talent Africa gira mu kintu kino kuba n'ekivulo kye kyasembayo twalaba nti mwami Alibai akirimu nnyo. So how does this connect?
Talent Africa is like a family kind of thing. Same energy. You get it? It's like I've told you, on this journey you have to work with a couple of more different people. You get what I mean? So for Talent Africa has always been family. To solo partnering chili okay. Me I'm a businessman.
So abali balowooza nti ate kati Talent Africa ndowooza olinga muyimbi waayo.
Naliko. Naliko ko netukola ki? Netukimala ekyo netusigaza working relationship. Like abantu bano kya understand like omuyimbi asobola n'okola ne companies 50.
Kibeera just
sinzira ani akola ki ekitegeera. When I worked with Talent Africa, I was doing an event. They do events, good events. Ekitegeera. And nze abantu bonna benkoze nabo bakyali bange. Ali is my friend, I can call him on a personal level. Kitegeera. Haji is my friend, I can also call him on like a personal level, like any other people who are friends with me. So okuchasinga ekirooto tulina okukolera wamu, tulina collaborating n'abantu betusuubira nti bamanyi ekyo kyetukola kyetugoba nabo bamanyi kyebakola ate nga bakikola bulungi. So Biniganta is a brand that is fit for that. It's not the kind of brand that you can come and say bam swinging. No. I'm firm. Gantok is firm.
For the time you've worked alone nga Biniganta nga we managinga buzibu kiwolayo mu kubanga omuyimbi ye managinga yekka nga talina management emutwala?
Okay, now first of all is program management. Then keeping up with like track ati nze ng'omuyimbi mbasobola kubeera nga nkubuuza everybody akayimba kange kitegeera. But with management biba bintu bingi nnyo ebigirako when it comes to like having the business moving every day, because omuyimbi osobola okukeera lumu nga toli mu vibe oba osobola obeera nga olina personal issues ezikuli ku mutwe notafuna energy ekola kyolina okukola ate nga music olinamu working on like every day. So that's why you see now like maybe for this interview to happen you would have called me like 2 months. Wandibadde wangu nga tujja kulaba kitege, but with management they set things and you just have to be there. So my only work was to just come here, do what? To the interview, which is beneficial to the career. Yeah, man.
Are you excited about any projects about your cause? Because tumanyi Biniganta chivule kyasooka dda kyagwa Gantok River.
Actually, I was just a headliner. It's an edition or series like or events that are going to be happening maybe like every year. So just I was the first artist. Yeah, so it's just free to get at you.
So you're excited about any project? Is it again okuva Muzafa?
And it's a lot of music, bro. Music munji, akabi collaborations is akabi. We have a lot of plans. Just keep it locked. To get a season by season. I take that to the number to get the time with Galaxy family. Yes, me straight.
What's your state on the? What are your thoughts on the state of the Ugandan music industry? Nga tugira basawa zileno. Abayimbi abasinga bategeka ebivulo ebimu ne bigaana, music abasinga basugezaako kutendongo ne baako weekwamira. Olowooza ki ekiganye?
I think the connection, okay, specialization. Sometimes people do like a lot of things and you can't even be defined by something. And then maybe more research is needed, Like let's think out of the box. What a music in enough to come before, because cut music or internet which mind church is benefiting solo and I think it's a transition in time and the industry is also transitioning to something new. At the end of the day you realize that after like 2 or 3 years and we're gonna figuring out so I think industry aferimu state ya balancing social media kati waliwo abantu like waliwo TikTok whereby abayimbi abamu abasinga obungi tetunnabajja embracingira ddala like still a learning process for that. Ate nogera okusanga nga waliwo ebintu ate ebitambula eyo like bingi nnyo ebidistracting a music from being the music it's supposed to be, because honestly speaking kati omuyimbi okwogera it's rare right now talking about the goodness of an artist in this industry who is doing something, because there's a lot of things that are happening and they're not even music related. Stulinga industry weti
how do you see yourself contributing to its growth? Ogitereza otya obanga gwe?
Since sola chikola muntu omu, but I have to play my part. When you go deep down, ojagenda osanga nti abaana abali mu studios like music we bali mu kukola abamu bali mukola really nice music.
But then where is the problem?
The problem is they have to understand one thing. It's not one, it's all of us. So if we are hip hop artists really bad in hip hop, olabanga balionga kyebakola ekyo kitegeere, that is it, that is dope. Kati if it is urban music, abembi nebatandisa okukola like clicks zaabwe kitegeere. So ogenda muka community nosanga ate nga waliyo omuyimbi waabwe gwe bamanyi wakabi ate nga in reality wakabi. So these communities will grow kitegeere at the time, then kino kyesenge music addeyo naye akola ki abeerewo. So for us we have to contribute the good music, put out those songs that are supposed to be put out, not because we're trying to trend here or this and that. And then we are also trying to erase it from our minds that it's not just about hyping, the song. There are songs that can be hits through streams. Public tezi ningi kirungi ekiriyo nti abantu bali ku internet. Music bakola ki baba bamwefunira. So big up to all the fans them who are supporting good music. Much love and respect. And yeah, we're gonna do whatever it takes.
According to the current state of the music industry, advice joyinza okuwa abayimbi ba upcoming abandi agadde okwekolera erinnya mu industry ng'eno nga Binganta
bakole
teri kya
no bakole
they are doing well music gyali naye.
Yes, bakole, let them be prayerful, let them know everyone has their own time, You see all these things that we push in, remember one thing, God are the greatest, see me? So they have to work and pray. It's blood, sweat and tears until you reach your dreams. Everybody's gonna get to their dreams. Just work with the right people, be humble, be strategic, yeah man, and be consistent and be yourself. And you can do best, and then leave the rest to God. Yeah.
Olowooza mental health ne self care kicontributing ku success y'omuyimbi nga y'omuntu mu bulamu bwe?
It contributes a lot because with the right mental health, you're gonna be focused. Still with good health, you're still gonna be focused as an artist. Ebintu ebimu okubirowoozesa obwongo obulwadde oba obunafu si mu bunafu nga naye obunafu ng'olwedde bukooye bubatolina n'ebintu bingi. That's how you're going to put out work. Your work is going to look like you look, somehow like that. Yeah, your work and your delivery is gonna look like how you look. So take care of yourself, because at the end of the day, you can't do nothing if you don't have life, and you can't do nothing from.
Bwenga gukikola otya ku side yo ng'omuyimbi, kugenda mu gym, kola biki, kwignorowinga bad energy oba?
Yeah man, I go to gym almost like all the days I can go. Sometimes that gym is more of like my motivation, it's more of like my energy that keeps me going. When I feel like I'm tired, I'm like, no, let me hit it again to get it. So I gym and I have to find time for that because I love myself. I love myself. And then on top of that, it's one life that we're living. So I got to do what I got to do right now or never. Yeah, man.
What do you think of people who always keep on criticizing you on internet, on social media, your performing,
Everyone is entitled to their opinions. Them is just people who can do something for themselves, maybe the channel. It's okay, man. Everybody think what they want to think. You be you. Yeah. No, I'm saying everybody can think whatever they want to think about you, but make sure you be you. This is life, man. You know yourself, so nobody can define you. So it doesn't have to really get to me if people say this or that. But I see love, man. I see a lot of love out there. I see a lot of love, and I really appreciate my fans them for always being positive and all of that.
How is it difficult being a celebrity? Kuba kati ngaffe oyinza okubeera awo n'obwogenda obugenzi oli akakomando nga bagamba walina akakomando ku saidi ya Biniganda kiri kitya being a celebrity nti waliwo wowulira nga nawe obulamu bukukalubiriza?
Kati nsobola okuwa answer gy'ayagala okuwulira naye when it comes to me nze ng'omuntu this is the lifestyle I know. Like I've been a star since I was I think like 18 still get so it became a lifestyle nti bwe bulamu bwe nakula neerabamu okitegeera so kati waliwo ebintu byesitasobola kulowoozaako but a lot happens, things like freedom okitegeera
oba tokyalina ddembe
oba olina eddembe olyewa that is the first thing eddembe olyewa naye oba tokyalina bwe bweba tolina ddembe like to be free okweyagala like ngamba kati saawa zino nsobola obeera nga ndi mu vibe ngamba njagala kutambula ntuukeko ng'omuntu owa bulijjo nanjagala tutambula ntuukeko wali oba ntuleke ku kiyinja awo mbeera awo kati bwe ngenda ne ntuulawo saawa zino nga bbini bajaga abananga abadde ki oba agudde eddalu okitegeera oba alina ebizibu bingi ali mu kulowooza but somehow those are things that we could just do like feeling nga muntu tagenda nakwebuuza okitegeera but since it's not what you are, you cannot really like gamba mukikunyiga okitegeera like for me I chased these dreams not knowing a vision, being a visionary about the future, how I see myself, how I want to keep transitioning as a person. And I have a picture of that. So most of the times we're just filling in. We go sometimes and pause, but the quality and the realness in the music never changes. It just keeps growing because to mind yourself so wango again kuba ne tonya no gam kasoke nkolechi kasoke ndeke nkubeche nkolechi we maro changa nkolechi ngenda ku rugendo lwange so things like that happen in life man. So that is it.
Ka press release kama mama abana bakalabye
yeah.
Social media akuta omuliro.
Why?
People are over criticizing it bagamba Biniganda gutumanyi omanyi barasta babira ne love nyingi nnyo naddala bitumanyi nga Jamaica bagambye nti Jamaica balina omukwano.
I think that's family issues. Yeah, I'm not supposed to be talking about that.
So tetulina ngeri tuyinza kuyambamu. Press release yogera bingi nnyo bini obuli abafaani bokasa bakiraba nga kizze babagala kumanya omuyimbi gwe tuliko nga faani waabwe number one fan ali mu mbeera ki kintu kiri ki because at the end of it all kisobola okuba nga it's false news.
I don't know, man. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but I think out of respect and everything, Bini is good and everybody's good. Yeah, just push the good energy. There's nothing much to talk about that. I don't really think there's something really important to talk about that to people, you know. Yeah.
Family nungi.
Yeah, family good.
Ate mama abana nga wanda muliro.
Bro, cut this interview, okay?
Sibula abalabi. Projects that we know massa okandabe twasemba okola ra Mimi Kampala then alter project endalao. So what are we waiting for, an album or
expect anything? Music is gonna be dropping next in October, I think in the next 2 weeks or 1 week. Another song. Yeah, music's gonna be dropping back to back, you know. Yeah, man.
Collaborations or single singles.
Collabs. Collaborations and engineers are dropping up.
Now that you have the chance to collaborate with everyone in the industry, ani gwagala collaborating akona yegota kola akona iwa ne Uganda.
Kyali bange basinga nkoze nabo ne mbadde sinnabakola nabo nyimba nakola nabo nga nzirina
temunaba kuzita buti.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Sibula abalabi.
Yeah, man. Peace and love. I don't know. It's been a gun straight out a gun talk. Straight. Bang. What's over there?